Hi, I'm Brad Pellman from Pellman's Automotive Service. Have you ever wanted to know more about your car's repair and maintenance but weren't sure who to ask? This brief video provides you with information designed to help you make the right decisions about your vehicle's needs.
Let's face it, tires don't last forever, and the two main reasons for replacement are wear and damage. There are several ways to inspect your tires. You can visually check their general condition and look for abnormal and uneven wear patterns. You could also perform the penny test, or check to see if the wear bars are visible to ensure there is sufficient tread remaining to safely operate the vehicle under all driving conditions. Tires may last 20,000 to 80,000 miles, depending upon quality and composition. But we recommend replacing your tires when the wear bars are visible or there is less than 1/16 of an inch of tread remaining. The penny trick works because the distance between the rim and Lincoln's head is 1/16 of an inch, the minimum required tread depth. When your tire tread is lower than 1/16 of an inch, your vehicle can develop handling problems. Installing new tires will not only increase your car's fuel efficiency, but it will also improve your car's handling, braking ability, and ride quality. From a safety standpoint, it should be pretty obvious. A driver's ability to control their vehicle depends on the traction between their tires on the road. Affect this, and it could ultimately lead to an accident. From an environmental point of view, better gas mileage is always good for the environment.
Please call us or visit our website to schedule an appointment today.